In this video, I am going to talk about 3 ways to lock your file, to lock your document. So let's talk about this with examples and understand this very well. Here I have opened this is same files in my previous videos. Save as or just click on save, then this PC. And what I talked first number, so that is here in tools. Give your file name. I am just taking document location, and here tool general options. Click on general options. Here we have 2 options: file encryptions options for this document, file sharing options for this document. Even you give only one, that's enough. So password to open 1 2 3 4 5, then hit OK, then 1 2 3 4 5, then hit OK. Now I have already saved. If I close this one, now open Microsoft Word and here new or open, and this PC, and I had saved in desktop, and here we have hit OK. Now it is asking password. This is what I meant, 1 2 3 4 5. Another password we have, like anyone can read but no one can write anything. So now in this case I can write here something, whatever we want we can write, but restrict editing, and here limited, then this is format restrictions. Then another we have editing restriction, this one is also checked. And these groups are like if your computer has many users, sometimes what happens, our CPU is only one, but by one hub we connect 2 or 3 monitors by one CPU. In computer coachings you have seen they are having only one big CPU, and in small desktops all are connected. So that time they have users. So if you want only for this computer, so I have only separate. So here we can't see any more users here. This is only, just keep it. This one is also checked. Another, yes, start enforcing. Now give the password 1 2 3, then hit OK. Now we have here stop protection. That means our protection is on. Now if I write anything, nothing will be written. Even if I delete anything, see, if I press here, nothing happens. Means anyone can read that, but no one can edit anything. Okay, third way is just stop this, then give the password again, then stop it. And the third way is track changes, then log tracking. Click on here, give the password. I'm just giving same 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4, then hit OK. In this case many options will not work here. Like now you see this accept and reject is gone, track changes also we can't see, and these all options are gone. We can't make changes here. So you see, if I zoom this, here we have track changes icon, and similar to that this one is highlighted with different colors, means different highlight colors. Again if I write something, so this no matter where, if you write here something, so that I pressed enter, so that already came here. Stop this restriction, so you can come here, stop protection, and give again that password and stop protections. Okay, now these are visibles. So this was a small video about how you can save password or how you can give the password 3 ways. First, password is important, like if you give the password, so no one can open or no one can make anything additions or formattings. So this was very helpful. I hope you enjoyed this class, you got any new things here.